The car industry is evolving rapidly with electric, self-driving, and even flying cars. But raw power and performance never go out of style. Owning a performance car can feel like having a high-maintenance, significant other, expensive dinners, surprise visits to the mechanic. It can get old. What if I told you there are mean machines out there that won't break the bank every time you hit the gas? In this video, we're diving into performance cars that are surprisingly easy on the wallet. Let's get this show on the road. First up, the 2024 Hyundai Elantra N. You might be thinking, a Hyundai? Really? But don't let the badge fool you. This little beast packs a punch with a turbocharged engine cranking out over 270 horsepower. It's surprisingly affordable to maintain, with an average maintenance cost of around $1,500 over 3 years and about $4,000 over 10 years. The Elantra N boasts a solid reliability score, meaning major repairs are less likely. With an MSRP starting just under $33,000, the Elantra N is a performance bargain. You get the thrill of a sports car without the constant fear of emptying your wallet at the mechanic. Next up, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. This hot hatch is built with Toyota's legendary reliability. Maintenance costs are around $1,000 for the first 3 years and about $4,500 over 10 years. The GR Corolla's reputation for reliability means fewer unexpected, budget-busting repairs. Starting at around $36,000, the GR Corolla offers Toyota peace of mind and rally-inspired handling. This car is built for pure driving enjoyment. Let's talk about the 2024 Volkswagen GTI, a true icon in the hot hatch world. It's fun to drive, practical for everyday use, and affordable to maintain, with costs around $1,700 over 3 years and about $5,000 over 10 years. The GTI offers a lot of bang for your buck, with an MSRP starting around $31,000. It's equally at home on a twisty back road or navigating city traffic. Enjoy the drive without constantly checking your bank account. The 2024 Honda Civic Type R is a legend on the track and street, known for its bulletproof reliability. Maintenance costs are around $1,600 for the first 3 years and approximately $4,200 over 10 years. Honda's reputation for reliability means fewer trips to the workshop. Starting at around $44,000, the Type R is a bit more expensive, but offers incredible performance and peace of mind. Plus, it's practical enough for everyday driving. Let's shift gears to the 2023 Dodge Charger RT, all about power and presence. Maintenance costs are around $2,000 over 3 years and about $6,000 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $34,000, the Charger RT offers a lot of power for the price. It's a head-turning car that's sure to get you noticed. While maintenance costs might be higher, it's still affordable for a powerful V8 engine. No list of affordable performance cars is complete without the 2024 Ford Mustang GT. Maintenance costs are around $1,900 over 3 years and about $5,500 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $38,000, the Mustang GT is a performance bargain. It turns heads and puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. Enjoy the ride without breaking the bank. The 2024 Chevrolet Camaro LT1 offers raw power and performance at an affordable price. Maintenance costs are around $2,100 over 3 years and approximately $6,300 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $36,000, the Camaro LT1 offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's a head-turning car that gets your adrenaline pumping. Enjoy the thrill of American muscle without constantly checking your bank account. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG C43 4MATIC offers refined power and handling. Maintenance costs are around $2,800 over 3 years and about $8,000 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $60,000, the C43 4MATIC is a significant investment. It offers a unique blend of luxury, performance, and manageable maintenance costs. Enjoy the Mercedes-Benz pedigree without astronomical costs. The 2024 Audi RS5 is all about precision, performance, and understated elegance. Maintenance costs are around $3,200 over 3 years and about $9,000 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $76,000, the RS5 is a significant investment. It rewards you with incredible handling, a luxurious interior, and a driving experience that's hard to match. Enjoy German engineering without the pricey pit stops. The 2024 Subaru WRX is a legend in performance cars, known for its rally-inspired handling and reliability. Maintenance costs are around $1,800 over 3 years and about $5,000 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $31,000, the WRX is a performance bargain. It's equally at home on a twisty back road or navigating city traffic. Enjoy the ride without constantly checking your bank account. The 2024 Cadillac CT5V offers style, power, and a comfortable ride. Maintenance costs are around $2,500 over 3 years and about $7,000 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $48,000, the CT5V is a significant investment. It offers a unique blend of American muscle and luxury without breaking the bank on maintenance. Enjoy American luxury and performance without the sticker shock. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf R might look like a humble hatchback, but it packs a beast of an engine. Maintenance costs are around $2,000 over 3 years and about $5,500 over 10 years. With an MSRP starting around $45,000, the Golf R is a performance bargain. It flies under the radar, but delivers an incredible driving experience. Enjoy the thrill of a hot hatch without constantly checking your bank account. So, there you have it. 12 performance cars that prove you don't need to sacrifice your savings account for a thrilling ride. Whether you're looking for a rally-inspired hot hatch, a rumbling American muscle car, or a refined German sports sedan, there's a car on this list for everyone. Remember, when choosing your next performance car, don't just focus on the horsepower and 0 to 60 times. Factor in the long-term costs, too. A little research can go a long way in making sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.